Look what this guy did. After he chose to retire from his job, his magical hands were able to produce very expensive works. Because in the end he got dizzy looking at the used goods in his warehouse, he turns these used items into unique and amazing moving robots. He was inspired by robot films that he often watched while having dinner with his children. Initially he made the robot just for himself. But now many people are interested and want to buy the robot he created. How many likes do you think you should give him if he succeeds in making a robot that looks like your ex-lover?